Minnie loved to cook. She would spend hours in the kitchen, experimenting with different ingredients and creating delicious dishes. One day, she decided to host a cooking competition for her friends. The challenge was to make the best pizza. Minnie's friends eagerly accepted and began kneading dough, spreading sauce, and adding toppings. Minnie, with her creative flair, made a pizza in the shape of a smiley face. As the pizzas baked in the oven, the smell wafted through the kitchen, making everyone's stomachs growl with hunger. When the pizzas were ready, Minnie's friends eagerly tasted each one. In the end, Minnie's smiley face pizza won the competition. Her friends cheered. Impressed by her creativity and talent in the kitchen, Minnie beamed with pride, happy to share her love of cooking with her friends. And from that day on, they all enjoyed many more fun cooking adventures together.